Hi traders, hope you're doing well. Welcome to my video on the future prediction indicator. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to capture moves such as this one for almost 900 pips and counting. Okay, so the future prediction indicator aims to do exactly what it says, and that is to predict prices in the future. I mean, let's cut the BS and just be honest straight up. There is no indicator that can predict the future. So if you're looking for something that's going to tell you where the price is going to be guaranteed to go, then this is certainly not the video for you. No such thing exists. Okay. Anyone who claims that they can predict the future is probably not telling the truth. I'm going to go out on a limb there and say that nobody can 100% predict the future of the market. Too many variables at play. That being said, what this indicator does is it has a shift function. As you can see, the current price is here and it's just shifted forward, okay, to try to anticipate what will happen moving forward. Okay. How I use this indicator may not be how everyone else uses it. This is just my interpretation, okay? And to be honest with you, it's not terrible. However, I don't think it provides something that we can't do with a bit of effort ourselves. By effort, I mean not much effort at all. Simple as this. Draw your resistance, draw your support. What can you see there? You can see that the market was trending upwards. It reached a resistance that's been tested 1, 2, 3, 4, arguably 5 times. Then price breached this support trend line, and that tells us that we are in a downtrend. Okay, as soon as we know that, we can just trade on pullbacks in the trend direction. So you've got a pullback there, breakout trade, you're in this trend. Same there, pullback, breakout, support becomes resistance, continuation. You missed that, third time lucky. Okay, price formed this support here. Pullback, support, breakout, support becomes resistance, continuation. So ideally you would have been in on this move hundreds of pips in or around here somewhere. Perhaps the more aggressive traders may have fancied themselves up here based on this support level. Triple top formation, breakout to the downside. Okay, it's worth mentioning this is a 4-hour chart, a euro dollar chart. 4-hour chart time frame, so there's plenty of price data included, which basically means that the signals tend to be more reliable the more data that is implemented within them, from my experience. You know, if you spot a setup like this on the 1 minute, 5 minute chart, it just doesn't have enough data and more noise, if anything, which is why I prefer to trade the 1-hour charts and above. So 1 hour, 4-hour, daily, weekly, and monthly. You can, of course, trade any chart time frame that you wish, each to their own, and any traded instrument, Forex, stocks, cryptos, commodities, indices, etc. The strategy works the same. But that was just basic price action trading there. Trend lines, support, resistance, and breakouts. Combine that with good money management, you can have a winning strategy and good discipline and a plan that you stick to. For example, let's say we took this breakout trade. We weren't as aggressive on the first. We waited for the second pullback. Stop loss above the high, around 20 pips. Really tight stop loss for the 4-hour chart. And as price fell to here, I'd move my stop loss to break even. And then as it continues to fall, I just move the stop loss above the highs, above the high, above the high, above the high. Just try and trail the price as much as possible. Okay, you may get taken out. Let's just say we took this entry and we trailed it all the way down to this high here, and then price took us out for 220 pips. I mean, that's not too bad, is it? It would have been much better than exiting around here just for 100 pips. You know, we've got double the amount by not more than double the amount by not being so fixated on having set take profit levels. I want to take what the market will give me at any given time, not, you know, have certain risk to reward ratios. If we do get taken out as the market makes these higher lows, we don't exit manually. You can, of course, close part of the position manually as the price continues to fall. You might want to close a quarter there, half there, and just let the rest run. It's up to you. You just wait for your next opportunity. Lower highs, trends continue in, pullback, breakout, and you're in again. You're late to the party again? Don't worry, we'll let you in. Breakout, again. Support becomes resistance, no coincidence. I've waffled on a lot and I've not even mentioned the magical future price prediction indicator. Okay. If we had to implement it within our trading, what are we going to do? Well, let's just say this breakout trade here. Fantastic. The indicator would have been exactly where we needed it to be. With this line below the purple line below the black line. I've changed the colors. You can change the colors and the size. Just make it display nice how you like it. It's just going to tell you the same thing. Basically, when this line is falling below, the purple line falls below the black, we're looking to sell. Okay. And when the purple is above the black, we're looking to buy. But as with all technical indicators, it can be lagging. Ironically, despite being called the future prediction indicator, I have found that to be the case. Okay. Another thing that you can do is you can use it to help you with pullbacks. So, for example, if we're in this downtrend here, and we want to enter the trade, we just want to wait for a pullback. Keep an eye on this indicator to start going in the opposite direction, because that may be a sign that a pullback is happening and there's a potential move there to be had, okay, on the breakout following on from a pullback. Another thing that you can look for in the indicator is divergence. Okay, so as it makes lower highs, okay, this can suggest a bearish market. As it makes higher lows, this can suggest a bullish market, as we had temporarily here. Okay. As well, I find that the higher this black line, the stronger the uptrend tends to be, and the lower the black line, the stronger the downtrend tends to be. This could be a good way to help prevent you from selling at an extreme. Like, you don't want to sell in an oversold market or buy in an overbought market, for instance. If we look at some bullish examples, you can see here how this nice uptrend, market's making higher lows, pullback and a breakout, pullback and a breakout. Don't want to buy at the high. Opportunities there, even in here. Pullback here, breakout. Okay. And the future price prediction, again, being above the middle line is the indication we are in a bullish market. Just be cautious that might not always be the case, but I wouldn't not take a breakout trade just because this indicator doesn't agree. To be honest, I much prefer price action trading, just looking at what price is telling me. I mean, here and now, not in the future, not in the past. I mean, if it was guaranteed telling me what was in the future, it'd be the best indicator ever, and I wouldn't be sat here doing this video. Okay. I just prefer the best tool that we have is what price is doing right now. Okay. That's not lagging, that's not repainting, that's just factual. Okay. But each to their own. Do what works for you. At the end of the day, you can have the best strategy in the world or the best indicator if you've got poor discipline and your emotions, fear, anger, and greed, revenge trading, over trading, FOMO trading are all getting in the way of your decisions. Then it doesn't matter how good your entry is. Poor money management as well can make it difficult, make life difficult. I'd avoid trading in choppy conditions like this here. When I see like up and down, chop, I'm not interested in trading. I just want to look for clear trends, and then we'll try to take advantage of them by entering on breakouts. Okay, clear pullbacks and breakouts, higher lows here, nice breakout to the upside, arguably an entry there. In fact, that resistance then becomes support here. It's arguably a breakout entry there, if not here as well. You can see there, big price action, nice W formation, breakout to the upside there. That's a decent trade. Got a master candle there, a candle with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, at least 5 within its body. Okay, a strong bullish indicator that. Of course, you got your higher lows as well. Nice ascending channel. All the signs there. Again, no magical unicorn future predictor indicators needed. Okay, but of course, if you want to try this indicator, you can just search for it, put it on your platform, put it on your charts, and see what you think. Just make sure you demo trade first and see how you get on. Do appreciate you watching. Hopefully you found something useful in this video. If you can like and subscribe, that'd be great and really help my channel. And I hope to catch you on the next one. Take care.